And this Memorial Day weekend kicks off the summer travel season. I asked U.S. Health and Human Services Secretary Alex Azar if the pandemic should put the brakes on people's travel plans.
Lake Geneva is already seeing tourists return after the state's safer-at-home order was lifted.
What is your advice for people who want to travel this Memorial Day weekend? Should it be a staycation weekend?
I'd encourage you, as always, evaluate and know your own circumstances. What's your own level of risk as well as those of your household members?
State health officials have expressed concerns about people traveling from higher risk areas to places with not as many COVID cases for fear of community spread. It's one reason why Governor Evers opposed regional reopening plans. But Secretary Azar tells me if people take appropriate precautions and follow local and state guidelines, they should be able to travel.
Going to your lake place in Wisconsin, keeping appropriate distance from non-family members, wearing a face mask if you're in settings where you're going to have to be closer than 6 feet from people.
But large gatherings like sporting events or concerts are still on hold. Summerfest has postponed until September. The Democratic National Convention and State Fair are still being planned for August.
Will it be safe to hold big events in August?
We're going to have to see what the actual situation is with the disease at that point. I think it's just a couple months ahead of time. It's really quite hard to tell what the parameters and advice will be then.